Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9. I'm tired, it's been a bit of a crazy day, so let's unwind with a nice teardown video where I've already done the teardown, but hey, of the Husky FS3. Oh, pun. One of my, I wouldn't say favourite Huskies, but I like the FS3. It's quite a fun little machine. MS-DOS, and this one has a whole load of random stuff from, like, I think it's Southern Water who used to own it once upon a time. So, now we need to deal with lighting because one of the lights up there has died and it's just got a crappy fluorescent one in there instead of the nice super duper LED ones. So if we pull open the back like that, oh god, what's just fallen out? That's a board mount. Yeah, this thing's a bit of a pain. Oh, something else just fell out of the battery. Polystyrene. So, lighting. Oh, terrible lighting it be. Here we go. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? So there we've got like the parallel port connection and then a serial connection there. The battery connector going along the back there, that black tube, and then just above it, there we go. Right there we have the piezo speaker, and it goes along to IR sensor board down the bottom there. Focus, you fucker. And then the little crazy ass, expensive ass connector down there. Oh, this is such an amazing teardown right here. I've got a better idea if the cable will let me do this. No, it won't. Well, it will to a degree. So, the top here we're pointing at the display drivers. It will eventually focus. Kind of. Is that focused? Good enough. And then if we move down here, we've got a nice I/O chip under the keyboard ribbon and a little backup battery. The ROM, which doesn't look to be an EEPROM, looks to be one of the flash variants. The battery, which has fallen out of its main place, the backup battery. And it's surprisingly not leaky as fuck. And then the display is on this side, and if I pull this out, another thing falls out of it. Here goes another one of these. There goes another one. So, if we can, we got the display, the compact flash, which acts as the hard drive, a PCMA-C slot for like wireless cards and whatever else, a whole bunch of custom Husky logic, some RAM, I don't know exactly how, a whole bunch of tantalum caps, which will have some of you screaming, and an Intel i386EX, a special very low power variant of the 386. And you'll also notice on the big custom Husky chip, it's got a date code of 1998. Yeah, that is inside the Husky FS3. And I will reassemble this now. I currently don't have any AA batteries to test it. But in other good news, the reason we're doing this is because today, at work they currently are, my group of 5 Husky FS3 and 2s arrived. Why 5? Because they were about 35 quid, and that's about the equivalent of 7 quid each, so why the hell not? So, thanks for watching. So, we can look at the guts of an FS2. I'm quite curious to how they differ, and it's more in the collection. Might donate the excess ones to a retro computer museum that's not all too far from here. It's still a decent drive. It's all like an hour's drive. Thanks for watching.